Hello, good day. How are you? I would like to say something about myself. I am Istiad Ahmed Nahian. I am 11 years old. I read in class 4. My school name is Fajur Rahman Ideal Institute. I am from Mymensingh, but I live in Dhaka since 2013. There are 4 members in my family. My parents, younger brother, and myself. I have a younger brother. He is 7 years old. My father is a service holder and my mother is a homemaker. My interests are gardening and reading books. I haven't visited foreign country yet, but I would like to visit soon. My ambition is to be an engineer. I am very pleased to introduce myself before you. Thank you.
আপনার সন্তানকে ইংলিশ শেখাতে আজই যোগাযোগ করুন। ইংলিশ মাস্টার, দক্ষিণ বনশ্রী, শাপলা বিল্ডিং সংলগ্ন, লিফটের 3, ব্লক কে।